Good morning, class. I hope you all are well staying at home. Class, I have explained you half of this chapter, lesson number 3, My Early Home. Okay, write down classwork, put the date over here. Class, I have explained you half of the part. Now I will explain you further. Okay, class? Okay, let me explain something before. It is a story of two horses. These two horses, it is a story, and his mother name is Duchess, and her name is Darky or Black Beauty. They used to live near a pond, and when he was a young colt, he used to live from his mother's milk. He used to play near her mother. Then he grew up and started playing with the 6 young colts who were younger to them. Okay, now they were cart horses. What were they? Those young colts were cart horses, and they used to kick, bite. They had a rough kicking and biting. Sometimes the horses get hurt. मीन्स कभी कभी हॉर्सेस को चोट लग जाती थी उनकी रफ किकिंग की वजह से. बट वन डे when Black Beauty, means Darky's mother, when one day he saw this rough kicking, he called his son and told him that your father is a well-bred horse. Your grandfather has won races twice. Twice means 2 times in the market races. And your grandmother has the sweetest temper, means has the best temper she had. And from that day, I have never forgotten my mother's advice. Who said this? Black Beauty said from that day he had not forgotten his mother's advice. I have never forgotten my mother's advice. I knew she was a wise old horse, and her master thought a great deal of her. Her name was Duchess, but he often called her Pet. Their master was very fond of her mother. Whose mother? Darky's mother or Black Beauty's mother. Darky's mother name was Duchess, but his master often called him Pet. Okay, class? And master was a good, kind man. He gave us food, good lodging, and kind words. He spoke as kindly to us as he did to his little children. We were all fond of him, and my mother loved him very much. When she saw him at the gate, she would neigh with joy and trot up to him. He would pat and stroke her and say, "Well, old Pet, and how is your little Darky?" I was a dull black, so he called me Darky. Then he would give me a piece of bread, which was very good. Sometimes he brought a carrot for my mother. All the horses should come to him, but I think we were his favorite. My mother always took him to the town on a market day in a light gig. Okay. Now, Darky is talking about their master. He is saying his master was a good and kind man. He gave them good food, good lodging. Good lodging means मतलब अच्छी जगह रहने को देते थे. And kind words. He never spoke rudely. Students always speak kind words. आप हमेशा ही kind words बोलिए, rudely कभी भी मत बोलिए. Okay? He spoke as kindly to us as he did to his children. He used to spoke very kindly to his children, just like their children and their horses. We are all fond of him and my mother loved him very much. We all are fond of him means we all liked him, means हम सब उन्हें पसंद करते थे. And her mother, especially Darky's mother loved him very much. When she saw him at the gate, she would neigh with joy and trot up to him. Neigh with joy means she used to shout with joy, and trot him means put her legs up. He would pat and stroke her and say, "Well, old pet, how is your little Darky?" Now the master will pat. Pat means किसी के भी पीठ पे थपथपाना. And ask him about Darky. I was a dull black. Darky was a dull black, so his master called him Darky. He would give him a piece of bread to Darky, which was very good, but sometimes he brought carrot for my mother. But sometimes he used to brought carrot for her mother. All the horses would come to him, but I think we were his favorite. All the horses, they came to near their master, but Darky thinks that they were his mother and Darky, they both were their master's favorite. My mother always took him to the town on a market day in a light gig, and Darky's mother used to took the master to a Darky's mother always took her master to the market. There was a ploughboy. His name was Dick, who sometimes came to our field to pluck blackberries from the hedge. When he had eaten all he wanted, he would have what he called fun with the colts, throwing stones and sticks at them to make them gallop. We did not much mind him, for we could gallop off, but sometimes a stone would hit and hurt us. There was a ploughboy. His name was Dick. He used to come to our field to pluck blackberries. Means blackberries को वो निकालता था from the hedge. When he had eaten all he wanted, when he had eaten all the blackberries, he had some fun with the colts, and sometimes he used to throw stones, sticks to make them gallop, means to make them shout. We did not much mind, for we could gallop off, but sometimes a stone would hit and hurt us. But when they were used to shout, the horses, they don't mind, but sometimes those stones and stick, they used to hit and hurt them. One day he was at this game and did not know that the master was in the next field, but he was there watching what was going on. Over the hedge, he jumped him a snap, and catching Dick by the arm, he gave him such a box on the ear as made him roar with pain and surprise. As soon as we saw the master, we trotted up nearer to see what went on. "Bad boy," he said bad boy to chase the calls. This is not the first time, not the second, but it shall be the last. There, take your money and go home. I shall not want you on my farm again. So we never saw Dick anymore. Old Daniel, the man who looked after the horses, was just as gentle as our master, so we were well off. Okay, one day when this ployboy was hurting Dick, when Dick was hurting the horses, then his master was when their master was watching to them, and he catched Dick, and he pulled his ears, means उसके कान को वो मरोड़ते हैं, means कान को वो पकड़ते हैं, and he took him nearby and he said bad boy, and he said bad boy who used to chase the colts means young horses, okay, young male horses. Now the master gave him warnings. He said, this is not the first time, this is not the second time, this is the last time. Don't stay over here. Take your money and go to your home. I don't want to see you here in my farm again. So we never saw Dick anymore. So उसके बाद से डिक कभी नहीं दिखा. And old Daniel, the man who looked after the horses, was just as gentle as our master. The whole old Daniel was that man who used to look out after the horses. He was as gentle as our master. So they all were staying very well. Okay, class, thank you, class. Have a good day. Read this chapter. Okay, that's all for today.